Hey class, it's Mrs. Travers, and I just thought I would send you a little video just about how to check your grades in case you didn't know already. We have midterms and midterm report cards coming up in about 3 or 4 weeks, and I just wanted you to check how on track you are and whether or not you've handed in assignments, and a quick way to check that, as well as looking through your grades and assignments. So I just wanted to show you the number of ways that I mark. So one of the key things that I do is I actually use an iPad. That's actually how I annotate and make notes on your actual documents. And these are all the assignments that you guys have handed in for Unit 1 that I'm going through. And you can see the blue line means that I've marked it, and these ones, there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 that actually haven't been marked yet. So when you go and check on grades, there's 4 that will stay 0 out of, and they don't have a comment beside. So the way that you know that if you've been marked but it was a 0 is if there's a comment beside. So you should have a grade beside each of those assignments if you've submitted it, and it's a 0 if you haven't, and there won't be a comment there. So just going to go through the computer and make sure. So there's 4 assignments that I haven't marked, but I wanted to sort of show you on a computer how to check for those. So when you log into the course, this is the course homepage, and I want you to know that you can find all of the notifications that I send out, as well as the drop boxes for the assignments, so you can actually find them here. So if you were working towards handing in some assignments and you're not sure where they go, you can find drop boxes here, as well as up here and over here. But the thing I want to focus on today is your grades. So I've actually signed in as a student, and I'm just going to show what that looks like. So orientation wasn't actually for marks, so I'm going to take that out before I calculate midterm marks. But I wanted to show you that when you have your marks assigned back, whether I've marked them on the iPad or whatever it might be, you'll see a mark out of, and you'll see a comment beside. So if you see, say for example, 0 to 4, but there's no comment beside, that would be because I haven't marked it. So here's one assignment, I haven't marked those, and there's the other 2 assignments down there that I haven't marked. And I haven't finished Unit 1, so I'm going to get into Unit 2 probably marking wise later in the next week. So that's how you can check your marks. And the other thing that I wanted you to pay attention to in terms of getting those assignments back, if you had some questions about it, says there's an error or you needed to fix something in your assignment, I wanted to remind you that I'm doing it on the iPad, and I actually create a document where you can see if I'm writing anything on your document. So if you view it, then you can see the feedback as well as the actual document that I have written on. Okay, so you can check, that's your submitted files, and then down here would actually be where you've got the assignment handed back to you with annotations on it. So this is the Dropbox, and then later down below you can see the assignment that I've handed back. So I'll see if I can find it over here. So that's in the Dropbox folder. In the grades, you can see what your grade is, and then more towards midterm, we'll be working on how to complete that. So here down below would be the annotated copy, and you can click on that and see the annotations and comments that I've made. So if you have any other questions about grades, let me know. Thank you.